You ever feel like people are snooping on what you do online, or you can't access certain sites? Well, a VPN, aka a virtual private network, can help with that. A VPN creates a private tunnel from your device to the internet so that your online activity is hidden and secure. When you turn your VPN on, it masks your IP address so websites and hackers can't see who you actually are or track your location. Pretty cool, right? You can use a VPN to access restricted websites and content. For example, if you travel abroad, you can use a VPN to access your favorite streaming sites back home. A VPN gets around geographic blocks so you can watch all your usual shows. VPNs also keep your data safe and private by encrypting your internet connection. That means your online activity is scrambled into code so no one can steal passwords, financial info, or anything else as you browse. VPN stands for Virtual Private Network. It creates a private, encrypted tunnel for all your online activity to pass through safely. Using a VPN has a bunch of advantages. Number 1, it hides your IP address and location so websites, hackers, and snoops can't see who you actually are or track where you are. You can browse anonymously. Number 2, a VPN encrypts your data so no one can steal passwords, financial information, and other private stuff as you use public Wi-Fi or access sites. Your browsing is scrambled into code to keep it confidential. Number 3, you can access restricted sites and content with a VPN. Certain streaming platforms, social media, and news sites may be censored or blocked where you live. But a VPN uses different servers to get around geographic restrictions. Number 4, VPNs prevent throttling, which is when internet providers intentionally slow down your speeds for streaming, gaming, and downloading. A VPN hides what you're doing online, so ISPs can't interfere. And number 5, using a VPN adds an extra layer of malware protection beyond your antivirus software. By encrypting data and hiding your IP address, it creates an anonymous buffer that makes it way harder for viruses to infect your devices. So those are 5 big benefits of using a virtual private network. Make sure to get a trusted VPN app so you can browse worry-free. Your privacy and security is worth it.